Gary the Answer Guy here. So, between us, you order lots of stuff online already, right? Yeah, I confess I do too. It's so convenient. I don't even want to wait 20 minutes for a pizza, so I'll order it online, pick it up when it's ready.
So what if ordering tires online was as easy as ordering pizza? At Goodguys, we figured out exactly how to do that. We know that no one really likes to wait at the tire shop. So what if you could order your next set of tires online and slash your wait time to less than an hour? Okay, slash was a bad word choice, but you get the idea. All you have to remember is buy, arrive, drive. Yep, buy, arrive, drive. Here's how it works.
First thing you want to do is buy. That starts on our website. You can find us at goodguys-tire.com and click Find Tires in the navigation bar. Or just Google search Goodguys Tires and then click Find Tires in your results.
All right, quick time out for a pro tip. During the buy process, you're gonna need to know your tire size. It's like the shoe size for your car or truck. It can be found on your current tire right about there. Now you might want to write that number down or take a picture of it with your phone. Or you can simply type in your license plate number and the original manufacturer tire size will pop onto the form for you.
You fill out this easy to follow online form with some important information like year, make and model of your car. There's that tire size info we need. And then you push submit. In a matter of moments, you'll have many tire options to choose from. This is where you can really dig into your shopping. You can sort by things like price or mileage warranty. You can even compare options side by side. Once you've picked the best options for your needs, you can get those tires right into your shopping cart. Don't forget to tell us how many you need. To avoid any surprises, we've included all your out-the-door costs, including taxes and disposal fees.
And here's the best part. At Goodguys, we offer a price match guarantee. If you find a lesser price for the exact same tire somewhere else, let us know, and we'll match that price instantly.
Once you complete the secure payment, those tires are reserved for you. Now, it's time to move on to the arrive step. This is where you use our online appointment system to set up the installation of your new tires. Once your appointment is confirmed, we'll make sure that your tires are there waiting for you to arrive so that you can be in and out in an hour or less.
And just like that, you've completed the first 2 steps. All that's left for you to do is drive off on your new tires. Buying tires online is now just as convenient as ordering that pepperoni pizza. And now, you've got your new tires to get you there safely. Buy, arrive, drive. Only at Goodguys Tires and Auto Repair.